In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Hound Dog by Elvis Presley, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out the song together. Now to play Hound Dog, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And by the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song. And those chords are C major, F major, and G7. Let's check out those chords together now. So the first chord is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. And the last chord for the song is G7. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret. This is G7. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, up, pause, up, down, up. Let's play that string pattern now on the C major chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, C major, go. Down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C major for 16 beats, F major for 8 beats, back to C major for 8 beats, G7 for 4 beats, F major for 4 beats, and C major for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, C major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, F major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G7, go. 1, 2, F major, go. 1, 2, C major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's apply the strumming pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, go. Down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, pause, up, down, up. By the way, at the end of each turn of this chord progression, you're just going to choke the strings on the 5th beat of that last G chord. It's going to sound something like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Hound Dog. 1, 2, 3. When they said you was high class, well, that was just a lie. Yeah, they said you was high class. Well, that was just a lie. Yeah, you ain't never caught a rabbit, and you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never got a rabbit, and you ain't a friend of mine. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Hound Dog. And that's how you play Hound Dog by Elvis Presley. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video, and to my friends at Soundbrenner for allowing me to showcase their awesome metronome watch. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. And finally, I want to invite you to join the UKNU community on the Vibely app. This is a place where you can engage with other ukulele players, join cool challenges, and win free prizes. So download it today. It's completely free. It's available for all Android and iPhone devices. Again, don't forget to subscribe to check out these next tutorials and to keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.